Okay, today we are going to discuss about the dichotomous key. For today we have 4 plants. Plant 1, plant 2, plant 3 and plant 4. The first, let's see based on the leaves type. Okay, this is the compound leaf. Plant 1, this is yes or no. For compound life, yes. Plant 2, plant 3 and plant 4. For no, plant 1. Okay, let's see for plant 2, 3 and 4. We can divide by leaf shape. Okay, yes for plant 2 and no for plant 3 and plant 4. Okay, the next for plant 3 and 4, we can divide by leaf margin or cellulate. Yes for plant 3 and no for plant 4. Okay, that's all for the dichotomous key. Thank you very much.